In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate text in GIMP. Let's get started by opening your image in GIMP. Once your image is on the canvas, we'll add the text that you want to rotate. Select the Text tool, which looks like a capital T in the toolbox, or just press the T key on your keyboard to switch to it quickly. Click anywhere on your image to create a text box, then type your text. You can adjust the font, size, and color in the tool options if you need to, but the key is simply to get your text onto its own text layer. Next, make sure that text layer is selected. Look over to the Layers panel, typically on the right side of the screen, and click on the layer that contains your text. This makes sure GIMP knows exactly which layer you want to rotate. If you're ever unsure which one it is, the active text layer usually shows a T icon and will highlight when selected. Now we'll choose the Rotate tool. Go to the top menu and navigate to Tools, then Transform Tools, and click Rotate. If you prefer shortcuts, press Shift+R to bring it up right away. With the Rotate tool active, you'll notice a small rotation dialog appears, and a circular overlay or pivot handle might show on your layer. To rotate the text freely, click directly on the text and drag your mouse. You'll see the text rotate in real time as you move. If you want to rotate around a specific point, say a corner or the center of your design, look for the rotation pivot, usually a small crosshair, and drag it to a new position before rotating. This changes the center of rotation and can help with precise layouts. If you want an exact angle instead of eyeballing it, use the angle box in the rotation dialog. Type in the degree value you want, such as 15 for a slight tilt or 90 for a vertical orientation. You can use negative values if you prefer the opposite direction. The preview updates so you can confirm it looks right before committing. When you're happy with the rotation, apply it by clicking the Rotate button in the dialog or by pressing Enter. Your text layer is now rotated. If something didn't look right, you can immediately undo with Ctrl+Z and try a different angle or pivot point. That's all there is to it. Open your image, add your text, select the text layer, activate the Rotate tool, adjust by dragging or by entering an exact angle, and then apply. Thanks for watching and enjoy designing in GIMP.